Does Katie like halloumi or anything?
No, she's trying to get another wing.
Hello.
Her knees on the back. Halloumi. What are you talking about? Feed the dog halloumi. Okay, must be rich as well.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. Are we on Brick Lane?
Yeah.
At the end of Brick Lane?
I think we might be.
We're around Brick Lane. Hope you guys are all doing great. Now, before we crack on with a redemption review, we've got a sponsor. Use your eyes. Classic car giveaways. This Mustang behind me is the exact car you can win. Right guys, if you're watching this now, you probably saw the last review when we shut down Chinatown. $9.99 a ticket. If you're watching this now, we've got spare $9.99 in your bank account. Get involved. The chances of actually winning this car are ridiculous. And they're also doing buy 4, get your 5th ticket free. 5 entries would be a joke. What's the word I'm looking for? Odds. Your chances, the odds, big. Classic car giveaways. A major sponsor of the page. Go and check them out. Let's move to the front of this car. Because we have got, which has a pole there, we've got, Jeffrey, Mother Clucker. Big review for the page. I've got someone trying to park here, Jess. Hello, can I help? Oh yeah. Oh, okay, go on, get him. That's good. Yeah. Say again? Convenient, yes. So Mother Clucker, we did this review, how long ago, Jess?
About
2 years ago?
No, yeah, it's July 9th, 2019.
Roughly.
The 26th.
So if you actually watch that review, it is probably one of the worst reviews we've ever done. So Mother Clucker, this is a redemption review for you guys. I was like 6 reviews deep. I wanted to go home. If there was a bridge, I'd have jumped off of it. That's how bad the review was. So I've actually gone for the burger today and I wanted to dive into it properly in the new format of Food Review Club. We'll actually try and be a little bit more professional than me sat at a bench in my Ben Sherman top crying about how fat I was after doing 5 reviews. But look, can we just appreciate this view for a second?
This fleet.
This absolute fleet. Right, Jess, come in nice and close. Mother Clucker, welcome back to the page, by the way. I'm going to tag you in the video.
Good branding.
Oh, there we go. The black and white was like a camouflage, couldn't work out to get into it. So I've gone for the Double Clucker. Is that right, Jess?
Yes.
Oh man, look at this burger. Like, I wanted to dive straight in with the burger, and we've cracked it. All right, look me in funny. How the hell am I supposed to eat that?
Look at the size of it.
That's like a brick of chicken.
Only, that was 13 quid. That burger.
So, all right, let's just get the rest of it out. Be very careful with this bonnet, people. Classic car giveaway. So good to be linking up with them again. Okay, this is our 3 slabs of halloumi. Now, Mother Clucker, this is the review you should have had the first time. Literally sat there, nibbled on 1 strip, cried.
You couldn't eat.
I could not even eat.
I wanted to go, so
right.
I made you go.
Hey, can I have a beat?
The mopeds.
What's this? Tater tots. What a wasteful buy that was, by the way.
Yeah, it was.
Should have got the Cajun fries.
What were we
Let's try one of
thinking?
them to start with.
It's something different, isn't it?
Is it?
Is it just normal tater tots?
I feel like I'm going to need these in my hand. First thing first.
25 quid, wasn't it?
Actually, it was £25.25. Only had £25 cash on me. They let me off 25p. So what sauce have I got? Should I even bother with the sauces? Pick up a slab of...
Oh my God.
There's a... Oh, look. Mother Clucker. Hey. There we go. Here we go. Let's dive in.
I feel like that's going to be amazing.
That is amazing. Look at it. Really nicely cooked. Soft. Can you call halloumi tender?
Yeah?
No? Yeah?
Yeah, why not?
What? Yeah. It's got like a crispy chicken type batter on the outside. Same sort of coating. Really good. You know what? That'd be delicious in a burger. Wouldn't be surprised if that is the actual filling of the burger. The halloumi burger, sorry.
Yes. They did have a halloumi one, didn't they?
Banging. Am I standing too close?
Yeah.
I was like,
Pushing me into the road.
This is an absolute vibe down here, by the way. Do a little pan around, Jess. So I think this is one of the ends of Brick Lane.
I'm sure this is where usually all the food stands are.
What, literally down here?
I'm sure it is, yeah.
I'll be taking a picture of the Astra.
No, we're not taking a picture of the Astra. What do you think of the cars?
I've already shot them.
What do you think of them though? Like them, yeah?
Oh, they're stunning.
Yeah.
There's another classic car over there right now. I don't know what it is.
The Mustang, you can actually win it.
There's I'll show you a picture.
Yeah, come show me a picture. You show me a picture, you can also comment on my food. Dog watch, by the way. What's your dog called?
K2.
Does Katie like halloumi or anything?
No, she's trying to get another way.
Hello.
Her knees on the back. Halloumi. What are you talking about? Feed the dog halloumi. Fucking must be rich as well.
Here we go. What's your name, by the way?
Elliot.
Elliot. Nice to meet you, Elliot.
You?
Here we go, little.
You?
That was really awkward.
Was it awkward?
Yeah.
No, that's your car. Are these your cars?
No. They're my sponsors' cars.
Can you tell what that is? I've only took bits.
Want to have a look at this, Jess?
Sorry, I haven't got the bit. This is the bit. This is the bit. It might give it away. What is that? A Rambler, it's called.
Rambler. Is that step park down the other end? Yeah.
First right, there, 200 metres.
Nice.
The owner saw me with the camera and said,
Yeah.
do you want to get in? I
Yeah.
said, not in a fucking pandemic, mate, but it's very nice of you. Very nice of him. What a day, what a treat.
Yeah, mate. So I do food reviews. I've gone to Mother Clucker. We eat the food and give it a score out of 10.
He's a nice guy.
I would share it with you, but obviously we're in a pandemic, so probably not advisable.
Play safe. We're already a bit
We'll
close.
play it safe. Yeah, no, look, there's at least 2 meters.
We might as well kiss. But I think you're hurt.
Yeah.
Nice
See you
guy.
later. See you, dog. What's the dog called again?
K2.
K2.
Take care, mate.
See you, K2. Bye bye. There you go. Dog watch. Right, should we get on with the burger?
Yeah.
Glasses off.
Yeah.
Why do I have my glasses off, Jess?
See your face.
Nobody wants to see this face, Jess. This is a cool dude. Right, this is the burger. We'll do a thumbnail quickly.
Yeah.
Mother Clucker.
Go back a bit. Yep.
Done. Come and have a look at this, Jess. So first things first, I'm gonna be brutal. Look at that, look at the bun, look at the bottom bun.
Yeah.
All right, what do you think of my chicken burger? Nice? That was a great tash, by the way. Strong, that is strong. See the guy's tash?
I might have caught it.
Just if anyone didn't see that, that's a big tash. That was a great tash. Tash lovers out there, that'd be one for you. So looks like we've got cheese in between each layer of chicken. Got mayo, lettuce. There's no doubt about it. Chicken levels at Mother Clucker are elite. I have waffled on for a little bit, so this bun probably isn't seeing the best time. Here we go.
What did it say about the chicken?
I'll come to that. Yeah. Brined. Well, tell me.
Tea brine.
Tea brined. Buttermilk and double fried. Is that right?
That is correct.
Along those lines. Basically, they take care and attention on their chicken. I've got, just so you know, that was delish. There you go. Super. Hello. How are you getting on?
I'm alright, mate. I like the very well.
Look, see what these cars, they're beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
These cars are causing an absolute scene. They just don't make them like this anymore, do they? Incredible. Getting back to the food, this coating on this chicken is actually delicious. It's got kind of a light spiciness to it. Super crunchy. There's like a tang. Where's that tang coming from? So there's not hot sauce in there, is there?
I can't remember. There might have been.
The meat's so juicy.
Top bun.
No, I don't even got to that bit yet. That's one of my most flavoursome.
Sorry, guys. Focus was out.
Was it? For how long?
Like
That's one of my
5 seconds.
most flavoursome pieces of chicken I've ever had. The bun has absolutely capitulated in, it's self-destructed. So it's just died a horrible death. But when the chicken tastes this good, you can kind of overlook this type of thing. This is the double, 13 quid. We can get, oh, excuse me. You can get the single. I think, is it £9, Jess?
Yeah.
Look at the big dog. Dog watch. Look at this dog. Guys, this is well worth it. That is a big dog.
Ah,
Look at that.
they're
What's his
golden
name?
doodles.
Max. Does Max like chicken?
Yes, he does, but he
Max-
probably... No, it's okay.
No.
No,
Oh.
stop.
Can't
Stop
feed
feeding dogs.
strangers' dogs. Congratulations, Max. Max is huge, by the way. It's like Max is half. I think it's a half polar bear.
It's a golden doodle.
Was
I
it a
think.
golden doodle?
Golden doodle.
A golden doodle. Dog lovers out there. That's a good one. So, closing remarks are, chicken front. It's kind of what we're here to do. This is exceptional. If I remember rightly, the chicken strips were delicious as well. They had great Cajun fries. And I'd never got a chance to have the burger. This was a big one for me. You guys absolutely love Mother Clucker. It's a big place in London. For me, you've got to do better with the bun. This bun looks like one of a really nice tasting brioche, but it falls apart. It's not, it's a big man. It's not fit for purpose. I probably could have done with a single, to be fair, but for viewing purposes, a double always looks better. Standing that chicken is going to bump this right up. Jess, where do you think I should give this as a score? In the no, look, we've been to a lot of chicken places, by the way. We know our chicken.
We do.
You've been here every step of the journey with me. What would you give this? Just by looks, and you know me.
Yeah, I remember it from before. It was good. It's quite a really unique flavour with the tea.
It really is.
It's unlike anything else we've had.
Hey, you Matt from Food Review? Sick! It's so good to see you, Matt.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Keep going.
Blindsided me. Where was I, Jess?
Score.
Score. What were you going to say? Like mid-8.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna go 8.4. Thinking around the 8.6, 8.7 range. I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit for the bun. I think the bun should be better. What do you think? Do you agree?
Yeah, no.
Got to stop penalising people for this sort of stuff. Do you think?
Yeah.
The bun, such an established place, could be better. There we have it. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's Mother Clucker, featuring classic car giveaways. It's yours? No, it's the sponsor. See that one over there? You can buy that, $9.99 a ticket.
Buy it. Win it.
You can win it, not buy it. You can buy it as well. If you bought all the tickets, you'd win it probably. That's a nice dog, mate. What flavour is the dog?
12 years old.
He's 12. What name is it?
It's like our doggy.
Hercules. Oh, strong name.
That's some cracking names.
There's some cracking names for dogs today.
K2,
K2, Hercules, and Max.
Max.
Right, classic car giveaways, big sponsor of the page, major sponsor of the page, in fact. Little reminder, you can win that exact Mustang for $9.99 per ticket. Link to the ticket bit is in the comments below. Go and check it out. From me, Mother Clucker, we're back in the game. Brick Lane, what else have you got for me to try? Thanks for watching, everyone. And that was a review.